Planning to upgrade from Magento 1 to Magento 2 but concerned about data migration issues? No worries. Using the Magento 2 data migration tool, you can smoothly transfer everything, including products, customers, and orders. The Magento 2 data migration tool is designed to help you move key data from Magento 1 to Magento 2. Before jumping in, ensure your system meets the requirements, like using compatible Magento versions. Magento 1.6 and above to 1.9 and above, and Magento 2.0 and above to 2.4 and above. Having enough server resources and running the correct PHP version. Common issues? Compatibility is one. If your versions don't match, the migration won't work. Also, composer conflicts can cause errors during installation. Make sure to update or resolve any conflicting dependencies. Now, if you're using custom extensions on Magento 1, you might run into compatibility issues when moving to Magento 2. Customizations can make the process tricky. The solution here is to review all of your extensions beforehand and check if they're compatible with Magento 2. In some cases, you may need to update the extensions or even find alternatives. Another common problem is permissions. You'll need proper read-write access to your Magento directories. Setting file permissions to 775 should solve it. Don't forget to configure your config.xml correctly. Errors here can halt the migration entirely. Watch out for configuration problems. The tool depends on a config file, where you set up your source and destination databases and some other important settings. If this file isn't correct, the migration won't work. Lastly, ensure your server has sufficient memory, CPU power, and disk space to handle the migration. Insufficient resources can cause delays or failures, especially with large data sets. If this guide helped you, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more helpful Magento content.